Hey everybody, welcome back to my BakeLikeAPro YouTube channel. In today's really fun video, we're going to make some amazing, super chewy chocolate chip cookies. For my recipe today, I'm using 1 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 188 grams, 2/3 of a cup of brown sugar, 130 grams, 3/4 of a cup of chocolate chips, 150 grams. And this is totally up to you. If you want to use a lot more chocolate chips, feel free to do so. 1/2 cup of vegetable oil, 100 grams, 1 large egg, 1 teaspoon or 5 grams of vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon or 5 grams of baking soda, 1 teaspoon or 5 grams of salt, and our last ingredient, 1/4 cup of white granulated sugar, 50 grams. So those are the ingredients. Let's get started. So into my mixing bowl, I'm going to get in my brown sugar, my granulated white sugar, my egg, and I am using a large egg, that's good, and our oil. And then we're going to get this onto the stand mixer, and we want to really mix this very well. We want to cream this together. And this recipe works very nicely with a hand mixer as well if you don't have a stand mixer. So I'm going to set up my mixer and I'll be back in 1 second. So now that I've got this on my mixer, we'll drop this down and we'll get this going. Speed number 1, just to start this off. So once we get it like that, I'm going to start increasing the speed because I really want to get this really creamed up. Okay, that's probably about maybe 45 seconds of mixing, maybe a minute. And what I'll do is at this point I'm going to add in my salt and my vanilla. Just get that in, and then we'll just get this going again. Just mix that in a little bit. So we have our flour and our baking soda, and I like to get those together. Let's just mix all of this. I like to do this because I want to make sure the baking soda is nicely combined with the flour. And that's good. Now, I'm just going to add most of this. And if you want to do this, what you can do is you can just leave a little bit of flour, add in your chocolate chips, and then just get a little bit of that flour mixed in onto the chocolate chips. This works better when something is a little bit, more kind of wet, like a nut, peanuts or almonds, pecans, stuff like that. But you can see that the chocolate chips are slowly starting to pick up the flour. So that's good enough. I'm just going to get this going. I just want to mix this in. So we're very close to the end of the recipe now. We'll just mix that in slowly. You don't want to overwork the dough at this point. So you can see this recipe comes together. 3 minutes, you're done. And this produces an amazing chocolate chip cookie. And one thing that I forgot to mention is that I'm not using butter in this recipe. It is amazing with the vegetable oil, and the cost of this cookie drops dramatically. So I'm going to grab all of that now, get that in. That's it. And then let's just turn the mixer on and just give it one last little mix. And that is it for the recipe. I have my baking sheet ready to go with a silicone liner. If you don't have a silicone liner, just use a little piece of parchment paper. And if you don't have that, then use a non-stick pan. So here's our batter. It looks really nice. You can see lots of chocolate chips in there. And I'm just going to scoop. I like to push against the side of the bowl. So you pull it out and then get it onto your sheet. And that just ensures that you get a even scoop for every cookie. Get that on there. So I'm going to continue doing this and I'll be back in a second. So I've done my first tray. I'm going to bake these now at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and that is 177 degrees Celsius. And you'll want to bake your cookies around 8 to 10 minutes. Hey everybody, I am back. Look at these cookies. They are amazing. It smells so good in here. I wish you could be smelling this too. So I baked the cookies in 2 different batches, and all of them were done for exactly 10 minutes. So the first ones here, up to about here were the first batch, and then I did a second batch. Anyway, amazing. These ones here, still a little bit warm, so I thought we would just go into one of the ones that are completely cool here. I'm just going to show you what it looks like on the bottom. Make sure I'm on camera. Look at this, and watch this. Look at this. Oh. This recipe, you got to try it. It's really, really good. I got to go in for a bite. So good. I can't say enough about these cookies. That is so good. Let them completely cool and then get them into an airtight container. And these stay chewy just forever. They are just amazing. And that is because of that oil that's in the cookie. So this one here was a really fun one to do. So if you're constantly making chocolate chip cookies for your family and you find using butter in all of the recipes is a little bit on the expensive side, switch over to this recipe. You will not be disappointed. You're going to save a lot of money. When you bite into these, you'll never know that they were made with vegetable oil instead of butter. They are that good. So that's it. Thanks very much for watching. If you enjoyed my video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you wish. And if you're on Facebook, I'm also over there at BakeLikeAPro. So that's it, and I'll catch you on the next one. These are so good. Oh, look at that. Yum. I love these cookies. And please subscribe to my BakeLikeAPro YouTube channel and also click that notification bell to be alerted every time I upload a brand new video.